Purple Platinum's vending machine grabbing 2 cubes right off the store. Getting them full through the gold. Turtles knocking a red goal off the post. Purple Platinum's vending machine trying to get some more cubes. Turtles picking up the cube in their claw. Purple Platinum's vending machine trying to score another big cube. They successfully get it in. Turtles gets a green cube in as well. In 35 seconds, you can now switch drivers. Purple Platinum's vending machine dropping another green cube in. 25 seconds, you must now switch. Purple Platinum's vending machine grabbing some more cubes. Turtles grabbing a cube as well. Trying to score. It looks like Turtles is going for the mark. With 10 seconds left. Q94 on the Spearfield, about 198.008 maximum.